Why Solana is struggling despite a liquidity surge? Should you be worried? Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your research before investing in any asset. Solana has been one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies in recent years, praised for its high-speed transactions and low fees. However, despite a recent surge in liquidity, Solana's price has taken a hit, dropping nearly 29% in early 2025. Many investors are left wondering, why is Solana struggling when liquidity is increasing? More importantly, should you be concerned about Solana's future? In this video, we'll break down the key factors contributing to Solana's price decline, examine the role of liquidity surges, and help you decide whether Solana remains a solid investment. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for deep crypto insights that help you make informed investment decisions. The smartest investors stay ahead of the curve, be one of them. The recent Solana price drop. Over the past few months, Solana has seen significant price fluctuations. While it was once seen as a top Ethereum competitor, its price has declined by nearly 29% in early 2025. Factors behind the price decline. Increased liquidity does not equal price stability. While a liquidity surge can provide short-term price boosts, it does not always translate to sustainable growth. In Solana's case, the increased liquidity has actually led to more volatility. Sell-offs by whales and institutions, large investors have taken advantage of Solana's earlier price surges to secure profits, leading to downward pressure on the price. Memecoin mania draining Solana's market strength. The rise of memecoins, especially on the Solana network, has redirected liquidity into speculative assets rather than strengthening Solana's core value proposition. Despite these concerns, understanding the nature of liquidity surges can give us a clearer picture of what's happening with Solana. What is a liquidity surge? A liquidity surge refers to a sudden increase in available capital within an asset or market. In crypto, this often happens when traders inject more money into an ecosystem. While liquidity surges are usually positive, they don't always lead to sustained price growth. How liquidity surges affect prices. Short-term gains. Initially, increased liquidity attracts more buyers, leading to price increases. Increased volatility. More liquidity also means more room for rapid buy and sell movements, which can destabilize prices. Dumping by large holders. When liquidity increases, large investors often take advantage of the improved market conditions to offload their holdings. In Solana's case, the recent liquidity surge coincided with major sell-offs and shifting investor sentiment, leading to the price drop. The market rewards those who understand it. Drop a comment below. Do you think Solana will recover, or is it just another overhyped project? Key factors holding Solana back. 1. Sell-offs by U.S. government and large entities. The U.S. government and other large entities have been liquidating crypto holdings, impacting market sentiment. Since Solana was heavily tied to FTX, some of its stored assets have been released into circulation, increasing sell pressure. The U.S. government has been offloading Bitcoin and other assets, leading to fear among investors. FTX bankruptcy proceedings have resulted in large quantities of SOL being sold, preventing price appreciation. What this means, a large supply dump creates downward price pressure, making it difficult for Solana to sustain rallies. Until these major sell-offs slow down, SOL may struggle to maintain bullish momentum. 2. Regulatory uncertainty. With ongoing legal battles and lack of clear regulations, crypto investors are cautious about where they place their money. Solana, as a high-profile altcoin, faces scrutiny. The SEC has categorized some tokens as securities, leaving uncertainty around Solana's regulatory future. Many institutional investors are waiting for clearer rules before making major commitments. What this means, until regulatory clarity arrives, expect short-term volatility. However, if regulations favor Solana, it could experience a massive rally as institutional money flows in. Competition from other Layer 1 blockchains. Solana is in direct competition with other smart contract platforms like Ethereum, Avalanche, and Cardano. Ethereum's Layer 2 solutions are improving scalability, reducing the gap between ETH and SOL. Newer blockchains like Aptos and Sway are positioning themselves as Solana alternatives with similar speed and efficiency. Investors may diversify rather than go all in on a. What this means, Solana must continue innovating and growing its ecosystem to stay ahead. The good news? Its developer community is still strong, and major partnerships could provide an edge. Should you be worried? Or is this a buying opportunity? Solana's struggles do not necessarily mean the project is doomed. Many investors see these dips as prime accumulation phases. Let's look at both perspectives. Bearish case. Large sell-offs could keep prices suppressed for months. Regulatory uncertainty may deter major investments. Increasing competition could reduce market share. Bullish case. Liquidity surges often precede major rallies. Solana's technology and partnerships continue expanding. When market sentiment shifts, SOL could rebound quickly. Historically, smart investors buy assets when fear is high and sell when euphoria kicks in. Are you thinking long-term? If so, these struggles may be an opportunity rather than a red flag. The biggest winners in crypto are those who take action at the right time. If you see Solana as a long-term play, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Will keep you ahead of the market. Solana's future in the crypto market. The key takeaway is that despite its struggles, Solana still has the potential to be a dominant player in the crypto space. Its high-speed transactions, growing ecosystem, and strong community support keep it relevant. If you are a long-term investor, dollar cost averaging into SOL during these dips could be a strategic move. If you are skeptical, keeping an eye on regulatory developments and whale movements is crucial before making a big decision. Remember, the crypto market rewards patience and strategic thinking. Many doubted Ethereum in its early days, yet it became one of the best investments in history. Could Solana follow a similar path? If this deep dive gave you a new perspective, hit the like button and share this video with a fellow investor. And if you want to stay updated with Solana's future, subscribe now and be part of the smart money movement.